What can military robots do? As technology rapidly advances, robots are keeping pace, and American military robots are especially diverse and varied. Some can swim in water, some can crawl on the ground, and some even carry guns into battle. In this video, let's take a look at these capabilities. The robot ranked number 1 is both loved and hated. On a battlefield filled with flying bullets, if someone gets injured and is exposed, bullets don't discriminate. It's very likely that even the teammates trying to rescue them could get caught in the crossfire. This strongman robot developed by the United States may not be completely bulletproof, but ordinary bullets still can't harm it. Not only can it run back and forth to transport supplies, but if the injured person weighs less than 270 kilograms, they can comfortably lie in its arms and be carried back. Of course, it never complains about being tired. Although its big, lumbering feet aren't as agile as a human's, it can easily overcome most obstacles. In addition, its night vision camera and microphone serve as windows for communication with people, and all its actions are directed by the operator. If it can't complete a task on its own, it will even take the initiative to seek help from people. Honestly, its emotional intelligence is pretty high. Anyone who has seen the movie Battleship will remember the aliens sending out 2 spinning fire wheels that flew around everywhere, killing anyone who got in their way unstoppable, and practically invincible. In the end, they were also taken down by a big blast. Although this latest spherical drone developed by the US can't compare to those alien ships, its special amphibious design is still impressive. If this thing suddenly crawled out from under your car, it would probably scare you out of your wits. Just imagine if one of these rolled into your yard one day. Wouldn't you think aliens were invading? This device can swim in water and travel on land. The rolling ball is actually a drone equipped with an intelligent system. Inside, there's a high-definition camera and a smart surveillance system specifically designed for monitoring and detection tasks. Plus, it moves pretty fast, rolling at a speed of 6.5 kilometers per hour in water, and it can easily hop onto land for a stroll. On land, it can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour, making it hard to catch. It's hard to guard against, and can run for 18 hours without recharging. We're all very familiar with robot dogs by now. Their mechanical gait makes them look a bit clumsy when walking. But this medium-sized quadruped robot produced by Ghost Robotics is anything but simple. It's not afraid of puddles or icy surfaces, and its agility isn't compromised even in harsh environments. It can be assembled or disassembled in just 15 minutes, and all 4 legs are identical and interchangeable. Weighing 51 kilograms, it can carry up to 10 kilograms of cargo as it roams the streets. If you mounted a machine gun on its back, wouldn't it be able to charge into battle? Its high-definition camera on the head can perceive its surroundings in 360 degrees, with no blind spots. All of its movements rely on commands sent from the operator's game controller. On a single charge, it can travel 10 kilometers or operate for 3 hours, moving at a speed of 3 meters per second before you know it. It's right by your side. No one can deny that Americans make great sci-fi movies, and even their approach to robotics is imaginative. This robotic spider, developed by the US Army Research Laboratory in collaboration with several companies, really does resemble that alien creature from the movie Alien, doesn't it? With so many legs, if it still struggled to crawl over ditches or obstacles, that would be hard to justify. Ever since this spider came along, tasks like monitoring urban environments, exploring caves, or scouting enemy positions have become much more convenient. Anyway, it gets sent to all the places humans can't reach. Not only can it autonomously navigate and return, it's also equipped with a thermal camera and an inspection and processing system, allowing it to transmit the information it collects. Its capabilities are genuinely impressive. The only thing that's really hard to accept is just how ugly this thing looks. If you're upset and feel like hitting something, this 4-legged robot won't get angry, and it won't easily fall over either. Developed by Boston Dynamics, this robot is specifically designed to transport goods across uneven terrain, with its key feature being the ability to stay stable while moving. That's why walking on 4 legs is just more stable than 2. Don't be fooled by how thin its legs look. Climbing hills and crossing obstacles is no problem at all for it. It's more like 2 people carrying a piece of cargo, stumbling along but still making it through. It also has its own environmental perception system, which uses high-definition cameras to quickly assess and correct its posture. In addition, the built-in intelligent computer system can control its movement speed by adjusting the force and extension of each joint. This thing is even more like a loyal big dog. It's no exaggeration to say that Americans draw inspiration for their robotics research from Hollywood movies. Doesn't this setup look like a simulation version of Iron Man? And honestly, this 70-kilogram suit may look heavy, but once you put it on, carrying a 90-kilogram object is effortless. It feels like lifting something that weighs only 5 kilograms. On the battlefield, carrying a machine gun or moving shells would be so much easier. If things get intense, you could even fire a cannon without a mount. Just hoist the barrel and shoot directly. This robotic exoskeleton has 24 joints and can walk at 1.3 meters per second. It's powered by a battery that lasts for 2 hours per charge. When the battery runs out, it only takes a few seconds to swap in a new one. If you forget to change the battery, being strapped into a 70-kilogram exoskeleton, not to mention outdoors, even indoors, you'd probably need someone to help you out. The operating system for this robotic exoskeleton is extremely simple. Users can learn how to use it in just a few minutes. Plus, there's no sense of carrying a heavy load, because essentially, it's the machine carrying the person, not the person carrying the machine. No matter how powerful Iron Man is, he still has to step aside when facing a Transformer, especially when it's Optimus Prime. This giant combat robot, made by the company Make a Bus, was originally intended for entertainment purposes. However, after being discovered by the US military, they believed it was fully capable of going into battle. Standing 5 meters tall, it's truly formidable, with a cannon on its left arm and a claw on its right. 2 operators control the machine. From a distance, they can fire the cannon or use the claw to grab things. Isn't this just like a battle scene from Transformers? A 430 horsepower gasoline engine provides the power, making it not only quite fast, but also surprisingly agile. Whether or not it's actually effective on the battlefield is another question, but just having such a massive machine standing there is enough to make the enemy break out in a cold sweat. For that reason alone, the US military's investment of $2.3 million to test this project is well worth it. The longer, the stronger, the smaller, the nimbler. Tall and mighty, or short and tough. Developed by Endeavor Robotics in the United States, this multifunctional robot may look small, but its power-to-weight ratio rivals that of an ant. This remotely operated robot weighs 166 kilograms. With its robotic arm alone weighing 60 kilograms, it can swiftly carry a 150-kilogram adult running at full speed and can travel up to 8 miles per hour. If it hasn't delivered the person to their destination after 10 hours, the rest of the way will have to be covered on foot. Its high-definition camera allows the operator to clearly assess the situation on site, even in dangerous environments. Its speed is useful for tasks like searching for explosives or defusing bombs. It can inspect vehicles and handle chemical or radioactive materials without being at risk. Due to its practicality, the U.S. military has spent a considerable sum to buy 350 units, distributing them to various departments. If you want to know which military robot is the most capable, you really have to take it to the battlefield and put it to the test. This American remote-controlled tracked robot fully demonstrates its military value. It's not just an intelligent robot, but also a multifunctional combat vehicle. It's even a hybrid model, capable of delivering 430 kilograms of cargo to a location 100 kilometers away, and it can keep running for 3 days and nights without tiring. In addition to transporting wounded soldiers and delivering shells, it can also launch drones, and is equipped with a heavy machine gun on top, ready to open fire at any moment. Anyone who sees it would want to keep their distance if it gets upset. A burst of gunfire could be coming your way, and that's not worth the risk. Its compact size allows it to be deployed to the front lines via troop carriers, making it highly mobile and agile. With 4 independent tracks, it can handle any terrain as if it were flat ground. It's both loved and feared on the battlefield, a true killer machine.